In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy S7 smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button, the home button, and the volume up button at the same time. Okay, now let go of all the buttons. Okay, now using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Yes. Press the power button. Press the power button. There you go, the hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.